RealTeaseFishing.com. Today we're going to go ahead and just take some of these parts off to show you where the injector drivers are on this 250 HPDI. Pretty simple to get to, just have to take off a few parts, okay? First things first, we're going to take out the 4 10mm bolts. All the bolts pretty much are 10mm. We got one up top, so just stay tuned. We've gone ahead and taken these off. Now we're going to take these off. Then we're going to go ahead and disconnect these little plugs. Make sure you label them. Remove the boots from the spark plugs. And out comes out this piece. Now once we have that taken off, these are our injector drivers right here. It's got, show you right here, it's got one plug. One more plug. 2 10mm bolts, and it'll come right out. Let's take one off. This right here is our injector driver. That's about it. So make sure you subscribe, you like, make a comment. If you have any videos that you would like us to do, go ahead and comment down below. This is an HPDI. If you have an HPDI, shoot us a message. We'll go ahead and do a video, gladly to do a video. So that wraps it up. Make sure you subscribe. Thank you.